Turkey, compared to its neighboring Middle Eastern countries, seems like a rich country in water resources. However, this is not always true, especially in the cities away from the seaside. The city which I live in, Afyonkarahisar, is one such city and therefore it lacks enough water resources. One of the most important water resources of Afyonkarahisar is Akarçay, a small streamlet near my home. My friends and I often spend time together in parks around Akarçay, but unfortunately it's at a disturbing smell and color. This streamlet even called the stinky streamlet by the local people. Disturbed by this problem, I began a project and researched for ways to solve it. Doing my research, I found something called activated carbon, which is generally used in water purification system, and thought that I could use it in my project. Therefore, in this project, I aim to produce activated carbon out of the cellulosic wastes of a factory in my city, which processes poppy seed shells. To do so, I developed and used phosphoric acid activation and muffle furnace method. The reason why I use poppy seed shell waste as raw material is that it contains cellulose. As the amount of cellulose in the activated carbon raw material increases, so does the size of its pores, and as the size of the pores of the activated carbon increases, so does its ability to absorb. I carried out a lot of experiments to measure the surface area of the activated carbons that I produced using phosphoric acid activation and muffle furnace methods. Only 6 of these experiments produced interesting results and showed that the size of a pore was maximum 509.5476. Thanks to activated carbon that are produced out of waste material, we can stop water contamination and disturbing smell and view it creates.